So a couple of weeks ago, we shot a video on felling a tree and then stripping the bark. A kind of a fun video, but we decided on second thought to go ahead and take that video down. It is not public currently because it didn't turn out exactly the way it should have. A couple different reasons. You know, we shot that video in a particular way and we were kind of squeezed for time. We didn't cut the tree exactly like we should have. We went ahead and recorded that and actually kind of edited it so it was kind of funny. And even though it was a mistake, you know, we cut it a little too deep because of sort of visual reasons, but it turned out that it didn't work right. So number one, that video, it didn't live up to what our channel does here. We're about education and not about just making funny videos. And so sometimes we will make a mistake like that. You know, we'll go ahead and leave something in even though maybe we should cut it out. And so in that circumstance, for that reason, we went ahead and took that video down because it didn't show the safest way to cut down the tree, not the best way to cut down a tree. So, you know, it's tricky when we spend a lot of time on a video and we have to take it down. But I don't want to leave you with the thought that that we should not do these things. You know, this channel is about doing history and about experimenting with history. And even that video, we were doing it. We went out here in the woods and we did that thing. We learned about, you know, cutting down trees. Of course, we had cut down lots of trees before that, and we stripped a lot of bark before that. But we had to show it in a video. If we don't stretch out and do these things, we won't really understand them. And I certainly don't want to leave you with the thought that you shouldn't go out and experiment and do these things as much as possible. Obviously, we should do them in safe ways and in correct ways whenever possible, but we really have to get out there and do it. So, you know, even though we took that video down, I would love that maybe we'll go ahead and we'll re-edit that and we'll release it again because it really needs to be on the channel. It's one of those things that is done, was done, and should be done by as many people as possible to experience history, not just read about it. I have learned so much each and every day, and I learned things from you guys. I really want to thank you for, you know, the comments that we get on this channel and on these videos, even the critical ones that point out things that maybe we weren't thinking about when we originally, you know, did the video and we thought, you know, haha, this is funny. You know, maybe it wasn't the right thing. So I want to thank you for reaching out, watching our videos, commenting on our videos, caring about whether our videos are right in the first place. That matters. It matters a lot. Thank you so much for all you do, and thanks for watching.